Hey y'all, it's Snowbytheday and we're here for another plan with me. This week we're going to be using Capital Chic Design solely, and I'm going to try to use her stuff only. This is one of her washies that came in one of her washi packets that I found at Michael's. But before I get into this plan with me, I just want to say hey y'all, hey to all of my subscribers, newbies and oldies, and all my new friends that I'm finding on Instagram and YouTube. So I want to make sure I say hi to y'all, but we're going to cut this intro short and we're going to get right to the plan with me. Let's go. So I don't know about y'all, but before I actually sit down and plan and like have everything out, I sit with my car and I go through all of my sticker books, because I might have an idea, but I kind of got to figure out which sticker books have the stickers that will make my idea pop. You get what I'm saying? So when I was flipping through it, I had saw that I had this Capital Chic Design sticker book, and I hadn't used it because I wanted to use it for Plan a Better Me, because it had like Plan a Friends Make the Best Friends, and yeah, I'm supposed to be going to that in July, so I'm still crossing my fingers that the world will get itself together so we can still go. But anyways, yeah, so I wanted to save that booklet or that sticker book for that event, but I had such a great week last week. Like, I've just been meeting some great girls on the internet, and we've just been, communicating, interacting with each other, supporting each other, and I was like, there's no better time to use this sticker book than today or this week or this plan with me. So that is the background of why I'm using this sticker book. Now, I know we are supposed to be going into summer, and my last spread was all pink and yellow and everything, and this one's a little muted, but that's okay. It can be muted, it can be gold, it can be, a little tan. It's okay, because there's there's morals, there's a reason behind all of it. Why I gotta be so deep? It's just a dang plan with me, but there really is like something behind why I wanted to use this sticker book. Did want to mention that those numbers are not from the Capital Chic. They are from my Happy Planner, along with the May 2 and the Cinco de Mayo. So the numbers, the holidays, and the month, that is from a Happy Planner. I can't remember if it's a memory planner or just like dates and times and stuff like that, and holidays. I don't know, but it's not Capital Chic. It is Happy Planner if you're looking for those numbers. Tuesdays are one of my busiest days of the week, just because I have a couple Zoom meetings, we move away from Zoom to Microsoft Teams, which I actually like more. But so that's usually what I'm doing on Tuesdays. I'm in like Microsoft Team meetings all day with different departments, the department that I'm in, and also the English department that I support. So Tuesdays are busy days for me. This sticker right here is the highlight of this spread. This is a sticker that I have been hoarding. And I know I told Thrifty not to hoard stickers, but I hoarded the sticker for Plan a Better Me. But I'm using it now because I've met Thrifty, I've met Yo-Yo, I've met Crafty T. I've just met some wonderful girls that passed last week, and I've just been enjoying them. So this spread is in honor of all the girls that I've been interacting and meeting in the past week. Besides Capital Chic Design stickers being absolutely beautiful, I love them because they are movable, beautiful and movable. If you don't like the way you laid a sticker, that sticker will come up. Her stickers come up so easily. You don't have to worry about ripping your paper or anything. They don't come up so easily that they don't stick. Oh, they're on there, but if you want to move them, they will move with an ease. I love it. I gotta go buy some more of her stickers because it's cute. I endorse. Foundation of the insert and the template is done, I can go back and add my accessories like the full box a couple icons. I do not like to do that while I'm actually doing or setting up the insert in the planner, because I end up adding too many stickers and I'm a white space planner. I just can't deal with all those stickers. And yes, you don't see Mother's Day on there, but I did go back off camera and add Mother's Day. I'm not that horrible of a daughter. I just overlooked it. Oh my gosh, y'all, look how fabulous this is. This is so cute. I'm in love and I'm so excited to use it. Look at the shimmer and the shine. I remember when I was not a foil girl, but look at that. Fabulous. I love the layout. I was able to get the whole week on 2 pages, which is what I like. I still have space. Not too many stickers. This is just perfect. This might be the layout that I stick with while I'm doing my BUJOing. I love it, and I hope y'all love it too. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all next time. Deuces.